So I've had saddlebag guards on my bike since my 2014, and those were chrome. And when I got my 19, it's all blacked out. Me with a friend, we scrubbed the chrome and put a black powder coat on it. After about 60,000 miles, that's what the black powder coat looks like now. Doesn't look so great. And even with almost 67,000 miles on the bike, I think most of it still looks pretty dang good. That was sort of an eyesore. So what I've done is I went and got these Eumti, E-U-M-T-I, I think Eumti Saddlebag Guards on Amazon. These were like $1.99 plus Amazon free shipping. My overall impression of them, they're really heavy. They're heavy duty. The powder coat looks really good all around. I was looking for any kind of imperfections in the welds. I really didn't see anything there, but I'm happy with them. They look pretty decent. I like this. I mean, it's hard to tell. This piece down here actually just, that piece actually just slides on. The ones that I had, the old style, they went over it and they had a screw that went through it, but this one just slides on, but it goes in about maybe like 5 or 6 inches. It goes over that and it's tight. I already had the piece that's made for saddlebag guard, so if you have the stock brackets there, you might have to cut the bracket just right past the bend. I didn't have to do that because I already had the right brackets. The rest of the install went good, you know, everything fit. You know, once I got it slid onto that bracket and the holes lined up, everything went back just fine. There's no problem. These little rubber guys here, see these? This is actually just rubber. It's a really hard, like a plastic. That's all it is. It's a frame slider, but it's on your to guard your bags. And from all the looks of it, it'll probably work. I'll put a link. Right now it's showing it's currently not available. When I bought it, it said there were 2 more left, and apparently that was true because my friend went to go get some like 2 days later, and they're not there anymore. Anyway, I'll put the link in. Maybe they'll come back. There's 2 or 3 other vendors on Amazon that do the same thing. But anyway, nice alternative to buying the new standard type of bag guards. I think they look pretty cool. If there's any big problems, I'll let you guys know. You know it will be. Anyway, Texas Motorcycle Rider, peace out. I'm about to go get out here in the wet again after I clean my bike again. You know, that's what we do.